everyone. Welcome to episode 11 of the News November series. The Godrej Group has forayed into the financial services industry with Godrej Housing Finance, through which it hopes to build a long-term and sustainable retail financial services business in India. And हम इस वीडियो में आज डिटेल में उसके बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे. अगर आप नए हैं इस चैनल पे तो प्लीज सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल Formulating Finance and don't forget to press the bell icon. Godrej Housing Finance will offer fair, fast and flexible home loans across India. And इसकी शुरुआत वो करेंगे मुंबई, NCR, पुणे and Bangalore से. For this, they will be partnering with developers including Godrej Properties. GHF intends to focus on the mortgage business starting with home loans. After this, they would be covering loan against property, and in the near future, they are also targeting business and personal loans. GHF will start by extending loans at just 6.69%, which is the lowest in the industry at present. And initially, they will target customers buying apartments from the group's realty arm, Godrej Properties. They want to give customers a home loan that is customized to what's important to them. Basic, their housing needs, financial capability and convenience. They are targeting to achieve portfolio of rupees 1000 crore by the end of the fiscal in March 2021. And they want to touch rupees 10,000 crore in asset under management within 3 years by launching 40,000 loan accounts. The initial equity for the business will be put in by the Godrej Group. This is expected to be in the range of rupees 1000 crore to rupees 1500 crore in the first 3 years. Any additional requirements beyond this, they will evaluate at the subsequent stages. I hope you got a quick review of the new venture Godrej Housing Finance and it's planned for the 3 years. Let's see, are they able to achieve all of it? Do like the video, share with your friends and family and subscribe to my channel Formulating Finance and don't forget to press the bell icon.